You can access this website with just a few clicks, and people are earning hundreds of dollars here every single day. But does it really work? Let's find out together. This website pays people from all around the world for completing small tasks. Look, we're logging in right now. And the very first thing that stands out is this top earners list. People are actually withdrawing money from here every single day. So, let's go step by step and see if it really pays. You can sign up easily and completely for free using the link in the description. There's no complicated registration process. You can join with your email or any of your social media accounts. From any country. The site's slogan says it perfectly: the easiest way to earn money online. The site uses a point system. 1,000 points equals $1. As you can see here, earning around $100 a day just by completing small tasks is possible. And the monthly earnings are even more impressive. Look, you can make up to $1,500 a month. Plus, if you make it into the daily or monthly leaderboards, you'll also receive bonus rewards. The payout options are great too. One of the easiest ways to get paid is through crypto. Besides crypto, you can also withdraw via PayPal, Visa, or even gift cards. The minimum withdrawal limits are pretty low. And once you request a payout, the money arrives in your account really fast. Now, let's see how to actually earn money here. When we click on the Earn section, we see a list of available offers and tasks. As you can see, some of them pay really well. The highest paying ones are usually app downloads, signups, or playing online games. If you complete one or two of these right after joining, you can already receive your first payment the same day. Just read the offer descriptions carefully, choose what you want to do, and start earning. The site also works with different offer walls, which means even more ways to earn. One of the best parts is definitely the surveys. If you answer honestly and fill out your information correctly, the system learns about you. Then it starts sending you more surveys, helping you multiply your earnings. There are high-paying offers right here, but the number and amount may vary depending on your country. If you ask for our advice, start with the high-paying offers right after signing up. That way, you'll unlock other premium offer walls and boost your total income. As you can see in the tasks section, you can filter by category, pick the best ones for you, and start earning instantly. There's also a rewards section. Here, your level increases based on how much you earn. As you level up, your daily income grows too. And you receive daily and weekly bonuses just for being active. Compared to many other earning websites, this one really stands out. We've tested a lot of similar platforms, but the rewards here are among the best. When it comes to making money online, they're definitely above average. Plus, the site keeps improving itself, and the interface looks really clean and easy to use. The site you can join using the link in the description is absolutely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That way, you'll be the first to see new real earning opportunities I share. Here on Earn Money Online Mastery, we test websites, apps, and the best ways to make money online. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos to learn step by step how to earn income online. See you in the next one.